Hey guys, it's Joshua and today I'm going to be making slime. Here are the ingredients. I already got flour in here. You could use any flour. I have corn flour in here. You could use that. And you'll need shampoo. This is shampoo. Then you'll need toothpaste. What else? Think. And add some water, just a little bit. Then let's go. First, add the shampoo in. I'm guessing that's enough. Now a little bit of toothpaste. You don't want too much of toothpaste. Open it up. Just one strip of toothpaste. Wait, there we go. That's enough. And yeah, now we're just gonna mix it. Bring us on the stove here so you could see. I'm gonna set you down. Okay. Okay, now time to mix. Have a little bit of a cold, but yeah. Here we go. So yeah, just keep mixing it. You might need a little bit more of this shampoo so it adds that slimy tension. This is how you make it without glue. If you don't have glue, because I don't have wet glue right now, can't use glue sticks. So yeah, come on, just need that bit. Okay, that's probably enough to make slime. If this fails, that's really okay. This is my first time making slime without glue, so I want to just see how it turns out. It smells like toothpaste. That's what it really smells like. By the way, my friend told me to do this. Marcus, my friend, told me to do this, so I'm trying it out. Now we're just going to add some water. Hold on, turn on the tap. It's enough for now. Gotta mix it all up. Has to get slimy, not crumbly. Remember, it's my first time, so yeah, my first time making slime without glue again. Gotta add a little bit more water. You can see. There we go. See some bubbles in there from the shampoo. Get all that stuff off. Oh, there we go. That's the stuff blending in. Good. Kind of feels like potato mash. Not lie. It really feels like potato. Ooh, yes, that's too much. Okay, that's perfect. Back here. I think that's a little bit too much water. Empty some. Good. It's not a lot, but it's enough. Here we go. Gonna mix for a good amount of time. Really runny. Mixing at a fast pace. I think it's too liquidy. Hope it's not a fail. Well, we still have to put it in the fridge. Ooh, just need that. I need a little bit more of corn flour, but I don't have it right now, so it's not a fail. I also gotta put it in the fridge, so I'll have to pause it and wait. So what it looks like right now. Really liquidy, if you can see it. Want to get the stuff off the bowl. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Just have to go. Ooh. Ooh, that's messy. Wash my hand. This is really runny. Just hope it turns out good. Okay, guys. I'm gonna set this in the fridge. And then see you guys later. Just let me get all that stuff off. Here, I'm just putting it in the fridge. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. See you later.